everyone, welcome. I hope that you're doing really well today. Today I'm coming to you with my Sephora VIB Rouge, VIB Spring Sale, whatever you want to call it. I did in fact take several things back. I explained that a little bit in my Trash Talking with Trish video. Since I have gone red with my hair has done this thing, and it's like nothing that worked for me before is working now. I was taking this opportunity to stock up on this because I love this. I bragged about it. It had been bumped up to #1. I went red and it is not like my red hair. The first day of the sale, I went online. I bought the big mama jamba of this. I bought the shampoo. I bought the cleansing conditioner. I bought the mask. I had to take it all back. It was horrible. When you're in the shower and your hair's wet and you can feel the dryness and the brittleness, I was so upset. So I did take this back. I do love this, but just not when my hair's red. So I did have to take those things back. I actually switched over to the Living Proof, and I got some Quay too, but the Living Proof, I got the Restore shampoo and the conditioner. They're in my shower along with the mask, the repair mask. I actually ordered 3 of those. I bought one in store and then I ordered 2. So I do have those. And then I also picked up this. This is the Restore Smooth Blowout Concentrate. This is also a heat protectant, and it cuts down on your blow dry time, which I try not to blow dry my hair a whole lot, but sometimes you have to. Now this was like, where have you been all my life? I was very doubtful about this, but I love it and I don't ever want to be without it. This is Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Nightcap Overnight Perfector. I was really nervous the first time I used this, but I put it from like mid shaft down. I put my hair up in my little silk cap. You want to see the back of the bottle? No. And I used this and I could tell a difference the next morning. I could tell a difference. This is amazing. And the next day I curled my hair and my hair still, it held curl. I just loved it. It was wonderful. It is a wonderful product. I have not tried this. This is the Living Proof Full and Thickening Mousse. I have not tried this yet, but I've heard wonderful things about it. And Living Proof seems to be working with my hair very well, so I don't see any reason to be concerned. I did pick up this Quay. This is the Memory Mist. And I have not used this yet. I used the one, it's kind of a yellow color texture spray or something, and I really do like it, but I have not used this yet. But I thought, why not get it? It's agreeing with my red hair. I'll get it while it's on sale. And I got this IGK First Class. This is a charcoal detox dry shampoo. I got this a lot for my scalp because dry shampoos are great, but after a while, dry shampoos can really clog your scalp, and that's not good. So I wanted to try this. If you have a lot of issues with dry shampoos not getting your hair, all the oil out of your hair, but making it feel weird, this doesn't do this. This is really good. And they have like, I think 3 or 4 different ones, and it's different steps to exactly how oily your hair is, how much cleaning it needs. This one I think is the highest. I also got another Purity Cleanser. I love this. I love this at night because I wear full coverage foundation. At the end of the day, I want my face clean. I want my face to breathe. I want it to be good and prepped and ready for the serums and everything that I'm going to be doing that night. And this does it. This is amazing. I love that cleanser. Every time there is a sale or anything, I grab at least 2 of these. I love them. They're amazing. But I do love my SHISEIDOs. This, it was so funny because I didn't know I had gotten one. I must have gotten it online. They have the Living Proof in their rewards thing, and I ended up getting 2. But these are great. Great I love this whole restore system. And here's the mask. Here's the mask. I love that. I made rouge again, and I didn't want another little red brush, so I opted for the little bag. I wanted to get another L'Occitane shower gel. When I first got my first order of these in, I was like, for that price, are you kidding? These are amazing to shave your legs with. And I just put just a drop on my shower puff and it lathers up. I mean, you use so little. I still have my first bottle. I probably still have this much, and I use it almost every day. It's crazy. I love it. But I love this too. And I thought, you know what? Summer's coming. Sometimes there needs to be a little bum cream smell in the air, and I really like it. I also got the spray, and I did return it. I have never returned this much stuff, but I bought a lot of stuff. I sprayed it on me, and I instantly had a headache. There was something in it differently than the shower gel or the bum cream, and it just, I'm like that with some smells. It just instantly gives me a headache, so that went back. Speaking of smells, I did get the little, I thought I had the roller ball of the white, and I couldn't find it. So I thought, you know what? I need this. I need this so much in my life. So when I be all smelling good when Jack gets home, he's going to be like, whoa. This was $34, and I am crazy about dry shampoo. And I wanted to get a little travel size for my gym bag, and it was like 10 bucks. Well, all this was $34. And you get a Living Proof, an Amazing Grace. You get a Sephora dry shampoo. You get a little size of this guy, the IGK. And you get a Dry Bar Detox. And I have heard a lot of good about that. I believe Kristen Game is the one that really brags about that. So I've been wanting to try that. Then you also get a little Bumble & Bumble BB powder. And you get an Invisibobble. And these are nice sizes. Like, they're not just little tiny dinky ones. But what is this now? It's equal parts dry shampoo and style extender and volume in a pinch. Well, my goodness, yes. And it's little powder. Cool. And here's the little Invisibobbles. I love those. And yeah, like, those are nice little sizes. What size is that? 2 ounces. Coconut water dry shampoo. I don't know about that, but you know what? It was a pretty good deal. Pretty sweet. Pretty sweet. I have never had an Anastasia highlight kit. I've never had one, and I swatched this. This one is sun dipped. And I swatched this one, and I was like, oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. And I put tourmaline all over. I mean, I love this. So pretty. When I first saw this, I was like, are you kidding? Just being real. I thought, are you kidding? You repackage it and I already have it. I was talking to one of the managers at Sephora, and I went to swatch it. And I looked at her, and she said, it's different. It's different. This is the Too Faced Natural Eyes palette. It is different. The formula is so much better. I mean, yes, the packaging is gorgeous, but the formula is unreal. I was like, are you kidding? The feel of them, it's crazy, especially that erotica. Just crazy. So we will definitely be doing some looks with this bad boy. I got a Smashbox. Now, I did get several things. The Get Ready With Me that I did today, the Get Ready With Me that is going up later on tonight, those I use some of my new things that I got. This is a new Smashbox. This is Spoiler Alert. It's a regular lip, not a new. But it was really, really pretty. So I grabbed that one because I really like their liquid lipsticks. I got another Urban Decay Anti-Aging Eye Primer. It's my holy grail. I love it. I got a full size of the Smashbox Under Eye Primer because it cannot be beat. It just cannot be beat. I also got the full size of the Kat Von D Lock-It Setting Spray. If you want your face to stay looking like this until you wash it, this is what you need. It's like not going to go anywhere until you take it off. And I got a NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Chantilly. I believe it's vanilla or custard. I have one that's a little bit darker and it's too dark. So I got the Chantilly to mix with it. I've heard so many people talk about this Bye Bye Under Eye Cream from IT Cosmetics. So I wanted to give it a go. And I am absolutely in love with the Urban Decay eye pencils. So I got 6 more here, and then I have the Snob that you will see me use in a video. I got Torch, really pretty color for warm. I got Sabbath, look at that blue. I got Alkaline. I can put these, I can wear these in my waterline, I can wear these in my tight line, and they stay put. Look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? I got Whiskey. I got several browns. I got Bourbon. And I got Perversion. That is the gist of my Sephora Spring Sale VIB Rouge haul. There were a couple other hair products that I got that are back in the master bathroom, but you know what? It's okay because we'll talk about it either in a monthly favorites, an empties, or something. I hope that you enjoyed seeing what I purchased during the Sephora sale. Did you take advantage of the sale? If you did, let me know down below something that you got. Maybe it's something that I want to try soon. I hope that you have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next video.